guys. So did you like the video? If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. Today we're talking about the Paul car. And Paul is somebody that comes to me regularly, and we have been maintaining this car for going on about 4 years now. It's a 2018, I think. And I mean, the car looks great. It's been about a month and a half because it's been raining off and on, and he's been busy. I've been busy doing stuff since I've seen his car. So it had a lot of dirt and debris on it. It rains on his car, and he doesn't take it anywhere to wash. I tell him, you know, bring it to me, or take it to those touchless car washes and just get it rinsed off after it gets rained on. But you know how that goes. People don't listen to you. So today we started with, we used on the wheels, we got Brown Royal, and we diluted that probably at about 8 to 1, 6 to 1. I already had some in a spray bottle, added some more, put some more water. The Brown Royal product by Flash is an old product that I've always been using. It works really good. It just cleans the wheels up good. I did it with scrubbing sprayed on. You let it sit and you scrub it down. Cleans them up good. I also tried it, just spraying it, letting it sit for about 40 seconds and rinsed it off. Hey, it cleans the wheels. I don't know what I can say. It's a non-acid cleaner that just works really good. It's like a degreaser. The only problem with it is it's brown and it's ugly. We got the wheels cleaned up with that. We put some Angel Wax Fast Foam into a foam cannon, and we foamed the car with the Angel Wax Fast Foam. That's like your pre-foam soap, okay? It breaks down all the dirt. Let that sit on there, the foam, rinse it off, and it got all the loose debris, works its way into the paint. Come back over with some Jack's Wax Strip Shampoo, a stronger cleaning shampoo that you want to use just to get all the paint as clean as possible. Kind of helps you to prep it basically for whatever process you're gonna use on the car. Anyway, we use that. That does a nice job, glides nice, cleans well. Dried the car up, went over it. We saw some water spots that he had from the little rains, and he doesn't wash it. So I grabbed out the PXE 80 and I used the Blackfire polish. Now this is just a sample bottle, but this polish works really well. I mean, it just brings out the clarity on the paint. Paired up with one of the Tax Systems pads that I was using, and then I used another blue pad. I don't know who that's from, but it really did just clean up enough of those water spots. I didn't want to do a correction on the car, but it cut down just enough to get the water spots off. So pretty good. Use a polish with a medium cut pad, and it gets the water spots out. Luckily, sometimes you got to go more aggressive. Those water spots get etched in there, so make sure you clean your water spots off as soon as possible when you get them. Blackfire product done, wiped the panels down, and then we went over it with the Extreme Solutions topper. This product, you know, as soon as you spray it, whether you spray it on the paint or spray it on the towel and wipe it in, flip the towel over and rub it off, it's super, super slick. The gloss is fantastic on this product. You know, it smells deliciously sweet. I don't know how to explain that, but just an all-around fantastic topper, as it's called, topper, a finishing product. If you guys haven't tried the Extreme Solutions topper, it's an excellent product, guys. So we didn't do any heavy sealant on the car. I don't have a lot of time today. I got something going on, and so did he. So that's what we did. The car came out fantastic. And take a look right now. I'll show you what it looked like as he left. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.